In this video, we are going to see what is object-oriented programming. It is called OOP. Basically, it is a different way of thinking about your code. It is structuring your code into groups of properties and behavior. These groups are called objects and it is similar to real-world objects. Properties are the things the object has, whereas behavior are things that object does. For example, take a real-world object car. This car has properties: 4 wheels, 2 doors, maker, model and year. And the behavior of this object car that it can stop, go and turn. Let me take another example. The object is television and it has the properties: screen size, power buttons, HDMI ports, and the behavior of this object television is that it can turn on and off, it can increase volume and decrease volume, and it can mute sound. To take another example of dog, of the real world object. The dog has the properties that it has tail and 2 ears. And what dog does, that is the behavior of the dog. It can bark and fetch. Now the question arises, why to learn this way of structuring the code? Basically, we use libraries in our programming, and these libraries are structured. Knowing how OOP works make use of these libraries a lot easier. Dictionaries, tuples, lists, sets are all Python objects. For example, string is an object in Python, and this object has the property that it is immutable, that it cannot be changed. The behavior of the object string is that it can be lowered, it can be uppered and formatted. If you want to know more about the behavior and properties of the object in Python language, see the Python documentations. Knowing documentation will level you up in your programming skills.